Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. Here we have taken another sum of projection of lines. This sum has been come in examination of MSBT Winter 2018. If you want to learn in detail about projection of lines, do visit my video lecture. The link is in the description. Now moving towards this sum. The sum is same as the previous one. The sum says the top view of 80 mm long line CD measures 68 mm while the length of its front view measures 54 mm. Its one end C is in HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw projection of CD and determine its inclination with HP and VP, and also locate traces of line. Now this sum is somewhat related to the previous sum. Now the question here says that its one end C is in HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So this is how the line will be. This distance is 15 mm from the axis. This is how the front view will be. So here we have given the actual length, that is 80 mm, and you have been given the front view slant length, that is 68 mm, and top view slant length, that is 54 mm, and you have to find the angle of inclinations. So this is how the front view will be. Now for drawing it, we'll draw the axis first. The XY axis. Here also we require only two planes, that is the vertical plane and the horizontal plane. So we'll just draw the XY line. Now we'll mark a point C which is in HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So this C dash is in HP, now in 15 mm in front of VP. So we'll mark a point below 15 mm. This will be C. The question says the front view measures 54 mm. So on compass, we'll take a distance 54 mm. Keep it here. Now this is a slant length, not the actual length. So I'm drawing a curve like this in the front view. As front view says 54 mm, so we'll draw the curve. Now for the top view, it says it measures 68 mm. So the slant line from the top view, the distance is 68 mm. As you know, the slant line is there, so its distance looks smaller from the front and the top view. So we'll draw the curve with radius as 68 mm. I will draw a parallel line through C also, touching this curve. Now from these points, we'll take the projections to the opposite planes. So perpendicular from this point, I'll take the projection upward from the top view to the front view, and from the front view to the top view. So we have taken the projections on the opposite planes. Now we'll mark the actual length, that is 80 mm. So on compass I have taken 80 mm. Keeping on C dash, we'll cut on this line, and from here we'll cut on the other projection line. So from these points, we'll draw a line that will be the true length or the actual length. So this is the way we have drawn. This is the true length, that is 80 mm, and this is also the true length, that is 80 mm. Now you have to find the inclination, the angle theta. Before that, we'll draw parallel lines through this point and from this point I'll mark them as F F dash, and this is T T dash. Join this line. So this is the slant length from the front view, which looks small, and if you draw a straight projection downward, it will connect to this point. So as you can see, this is the same projection. So these are the two lines. Front view, from the front view you will look the line like this, the slant, this distance is 54, and from the top view you will look, this line will be visible, that is 68. So as it is slant, the length will be smaller than the actual length. Mark these points as D dash, D, D1 dash, this will be D2 dash, and we are done with the sum. The question is asked, you have to find the angle of inclination. So this angle you have to find out with HP and VP. So this is theta, and this angle, this is phi. So just find the angle theta and phi. This angle theta is around 34 degrees, and this angle phi is around 49 degrees. And with this we are done with the sum. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.